Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of Halloween crafts with a product that's sure to enchant all the ghouls and goblins out there. Introducing the SANNIX 110Pcs Halloween Charms, your ticket to the best spooky charms available in the market. Crafters and jewelry makers, listen up. Whether you're gearing up for Halloween festivities or simply love to add a touch of eerie elegance to your creations, these charms are an absolute must-have. With a whopping 110 pieces per set, the possibilities are endless. From pumpkins to ghosts, witches to bats, and everything in between, these charms feature a variety of intricate designs that capture the essence of Halloween perfectly. Made of high-quality zinc alloy, they're durable and built to last, ensuring that your creations withstand the test of time. Measuring between 10 to 30 millimeters, these charms are the ideal size for all your jewelry making needs. Whether you're crafting necklaces, bracelets, earrings, or even decorative accessories for your phone, these charms are up to the task. Plus, they're incredibly easy to work with, making them suitable for crafters of all skill levels. But wait, there's more. These charms aren't just for jewelry making, they're also perfect for Halloween decorations. Imagine adorning your home, party venue, or even your DIY costumes with these enchanting charms. They're guaranteed to add a touch of whimsy and charm to any Halloween-themed affair. So, if you're ready to take your Halloween crafts to the next level, look no further than the SANNIX 110Pcs Halloween Charms. Don't miss out on your chance to add a touch of spooky sophistication to your creations. Grab your set today and let your creativity run wild.